Hello, in front of me I've got MITSUBISHI Grandis. In this video I'll show you how to use easy access. Thanks to easy access feature, you can enter your car without taking out key from your pocket. It works like this. When you approach the car detects the key and automatically opens the doors. When you leave the car also detects there is no longer key nearby and blocks it. And that's basically it. This function is linked with the start-stop system, thanks to which you can start the car via one simple button press. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.